Hi guys, it's Joe. Welcome back to the Penguin Palace YouTube channel. Today's project, I'll be using the stamp set Take a Break. I'll be using in that set the champagne bottle and glass. In this one, Get Well Soon, I'll be using the hearts and the rose. This one is called Let's Catch Up, and mainly I'll be using the accessories as well as the word stamp shopping. And the main stamp set is the Pretty Mermaid planner. I'll be using most of the mermaids and some of the word sentiments. So let's get started. So this is a little bit different. I'm going to be setting up a week in my July planner. So first off, I stamped these images on white sticker paper sheet, and I bought this in bulk, like on Amazon. You can get like 100 sheets. And then so I stamped it on the sticker sheet with Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I'm coloring the images with Copic markers. And this sticker sheet actually takes Copic markers very well. It's easy to blend. I mainly use two Copic colors to get the right color and shading. Let's see what else. I tried using like watercolors on this. Obviously it's not the right paper medium. It did not take well to the water, and I tried using, what was it, Memento, and that leaked. So this is good for Copic markers or alcohol markers. And so that's what I use, and I just colored the images again with Copic markers, limiting it to two different shades of one marker to do the shading that's needed. So lastly, here you can see I'm just finishing up the images by coloring the hair. And yeah, so those are the mermaid images that I'm using on my planner. And yeah, and then I go ahead and will cut these out and then place them on my planner. I did use several other images in the stamp sets that I just shown you, but they were colored off screen, and they were for previous projects, and they were on watercolor paper or regular Copic marker paper, so they weren't stickers, but the mermaids are stickers. So this is my little planner. It measures about 5 by 7. It's a really small planner, and it shows the month, and the pages go by the week. And yeah, so first I go ahead and do some gold foiled heart washi tape on the top of the page, and then I have these weekday stickers, Monday through Sunday, in different colors. So I thought those pastel bright colors match well with the mermaids that I colored. So here is one of the mermaids. She's doing groceries. So she is from the Let's Catch Up. No, I'm sorry. She's from the Pretty Mermaid Planner stamp set. So I go ahead and use the shopping word stamp, and that one is from Let's Catch Up. I used VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and you saw that I did a little testing on the stamping on some post-it paper. I just wanted to make sure that it was nice and crisp, because I am stamping directly to my planner and I didn't want to mess up. So some other words that I'm using, and this is from the Pretty Mermaid planner set, and this one is dinner date. And you see those little starfish and hearts. Those are all from the different stamp sets that I showed in the beginning. Those again were stamped on regular paper, so I went ahead and used liquid glue to adhere it to my planner. And then here's another sentiment, housekeeping. Again, that is from the Pretty Mermaid planner. And I go ahead and stamp that again with the VersaFine ink, add a little bit more starfish and clamshells embellishments there, and then on the bottom left I go ahead and apply the cute little mermaid doing laundry, and laundry is from the planner stamp set, and I stamped that right above it. And then I have some more accessories, more clamshells, starfish. That shopping bag is from the Let's Catch Up stamp set. And then I go ahead, there's a little bit of a gap when I'm setting up the planner or stamping the sentiments, because I am cleaning off the stamp sets, the stamps, as I go along. And I'm using some markers. These are mild liners. They're like pretty much like highlighters, but they're more of like a pastel color. So I go ahead and draw little lines for my list there. And that pretty much completes the layout of the stickers and the images. I will go ahead and add more writing and some more stickers at the end. This one is like a little flag that I go ahead and insert it underneath that clamshell. That one was cardstock, so I had to peel it off a little bit and add more glue to make sure that it's nicely adhered to the paper. And then here is the champagne flute and champagne bottle, and the rose. The rose is from Get Well. And that's my planner layout there for the week of July. And I wrote some important dates and appointments and the stickers there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon, and make sure to subscribe to the Penguin Palace Stamps YouTube channel.